टीम महाराज जयदीप अहलावत कर रहे हैं गरबा। भाई मौका ही ऐसा है क्योंकि इनकी फिल्म महाराज को काफ़ी अच्छे व्यूज़ मिले हैं OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पर। भाई फिल्म डिजिटली रिलीज हुई कुछ कुछ तीखी प्रतिक्रियाओं के साथ, लेकिन ओवरऑल दर्शकों ने फिल्म को देखा। आमिर खान के बेटे जुनैद खान ने इस फिल्म से डेब्यू किया। उनके साथ हैं शर्वरी वाघ, जिनकी एक और फिल्म मुंजिया भी रिलीज हुई, और साथ साथ OTT पर महाराज। इसी के साथ ओरिजिनल अर्जुन रेड्डी की हीरोइन शालिनी पांडे भी जयेश भाई जोरदार के बाद इस फिल्म में गुजराती अंदाज में नजर आई। और इन सब के बीच में है जयदीप अहलावत, जिन्होंने महाराज के एक का रोल किया। नेगेटिव किरदार था लेकिन लोगों को पसंद आया। भाई पूरी टीम एक साथ जमा हुई और फिल्म के इस खास मौके को सेलिब्रेट किया, जहां पर उनके डायरेक्टर सिद्धार्थ बी मल्होत्रा भी मौजूद थे और सबने फिल्म के बारे में ढेर सारी बातें की और फोटोज खिंचाए।
I think subjects which are rooted, culturally rooted in your ethos, but with themes and emotional themes that are globally relevant. So, while Maharaj is a true story, it's culturally rooted, and that ethos is there, but the theme or the emotion cuts across to any human, all over, and that's what's connected globally, I think so, because the film came with no, it just came on the platform. It had nothing, no publicity, no trailer, nothing. So it's the pure power of the content that globally it is now being recognized and loved. And we're very, very thankful to everybody who's seen it, and those who've not seen it, we're waiting for them to see it too. I absolutely do, and that credit goes to Adi. Uh, Completely, he's the captain of the ship. He's the captain of all of us. And this film, my first film, Hichki, which I tried to make, was never being made. It was made thanks to Adi. This film also, he believed in us, believed in the script, and allowed me to tell the story. So first, salutations to him. The casting, I think, let me start with Junu, Junaid. He and me had met before, and then I saw a screen test of his for a film. Uh, so we didn't want a typical film hero. He was 23. He was very raw. He was very, very real, very honest. And I've said that in many interviews. I feel that Junaid is a very real, honest, and sincere and earnest person. I've known him for 4 years more now, and he's the same person. So a lot of what we wanted for Karsan Das, I got in Junaid. We didn't know he would say yes or no. This is not a typical star kid launch. We went with the script. We narrated to him in Amritsar. He took a day, and finally, when he said yes, we were very, very happy because we were presenting him not with, uh, action and dancing and all of that kind of stuff. We were presenting him with a dhoti and a kurta and a moosh and saying, his first line saying, "Thodi chutney dena." Chutney kya mangli tune to jaat bata di. So it's not a typical conventional heroes कि आमिर खान के बेटे की पहली पिक्चर और जी ये आपकी फर्स्ट लाइन होगी. So very, very thankful that he chose this, and I'm very, very happy and proud that he's getting all the love today. He's on his. When it came to Maharaj, the title, uh, the only person we could think of, and God bless his soul, is Irfan Khan. There's nobody else who could play this role but Irfan Khan. And I don't think, and I keep telling Jaideep sir that again and again, it's too much pressure for him, I know. But I feel there's only one actor in this entire universe of country who can match that level of performance, and that is Jaideep Ahlawat. He can do anything. He can literally do anything. He's one of the best actors we have undoubtedly in the country. Um, so again, convincing him for Maharaj was a tough one because initially he said, no, this is a tough role. I don't know how I'm going to play it. Then we had to do a narration with him, explain to him what our take on Maharaj is, why we feel you should play it, and what layers and how we are looking at him. And finally, we are very, very grateful that sir has agreed, and he's getting, rightfully so, all the love that he always gets for every film. Then came Kishori. Shalini had already done Jayesh Bhai Jodhar. She was, working, and Adi suggested Shalini to me, and then we did a scene with Junaid, We did a couple of scenes to see how the chemistry goes. Does she? We did some dance rehearsals because she had an entire dance song. Um, to just catch Kishori right, because Kishori is part of society that was blind faithful, that believed what is being done is correct. And that was the name of the game then. Very, very, so it's a very tough role to play. You know, it's every scene, though it's few scenes, but those scenes are why Karsan does what he does. So to feel that and to get that was very, very important. And luckily, Shalini has delivered as an actor par excellence in the film. And I'm really, really happy that she did it. And then, of course, the firebrand and the entertainment quotient and our special appearance and everything. Because whenever we read Viraj and we would laugh. And we knew that Viraj is a girl who is totally opposite to Kishori. If Kishori believes in blind faith, Viraj is very, very aware of what she stands for and what Karsan stands for. Which is why my favorite scene in the film even is the scene where he says, किसके लिए लड़ूं? And he says, हर उस औरत के लिए जिसकी गले में चीख अटकी है. And she mentions that so that everybody who does not become Kishori and gets to Viraj, you've got to fight for that. और हमारी लड़ाई इससे भी बड़ी है. So for me, the way and then getting that Kathiawadi accent is very tough. Is very, very, very tough. So thanks to Sneha, who is our writer. We've done multiple readings with Sneha, with Junaid, with Shalini, with Sharvari. And the way Sneha would read it and the way Sharvari has worked hard to understand Gujarati first. I remember she calling me and saying, sir, I'm hearing Gujarati tapes. I'm seeing Gujarati films. I'm trying to imbibe the character. And then finally landing Viraj, and for the love that she's getting, I'm really, really grateful. And many congratulations for Munjia as well for a super hit over there. So we've got 2 hits in a row for her. Great.
Honestly, firstly, I would love to say thank you to all the audiences who have watched our film और उन्होंने हमें इतना ढेर सारा प्यार दिया. Especially बहुत सारे लोगों ने मेरे डिक्शन पे जो गुजराती एक्सेंट है, जो श और स का खेल है, उस पे बहुत उसे नोटिस किया और उसे इतना सारा प्यार दिया. तो फॉर मी आई थिंक आई वुड फर्स्ट लाइक टू से थैंक यू टू एवरीवन. Viraj as a character, she was very different somewhere from the whole world, and she's the only character that is doing comedy in the film. So for me, when I read that character, firstly I instantly fell in love with it. I remember being in a narration and even Sid sir saying that I just could see you smile and smile and smile, so I knew that you were definitely doing it. So I was very happy with the character. I was thoroughly entertained in the narration. Of course, our writer Sneha, she's written the dialogues very well, and I think that's the first credit, because the character is the dialogues, the character is the way she has been written, and especially the khel of Sir and Shah, which is the most beautiful part. For me to land that correctly, I needed to know Gujarati, I needed to learn it. It is not something that I could have done, because एक होता है आप भाषा को सीखते हो, उसे सीखने के बाद you have to unlearn it to be able to get it wrong, because मैं गलत बोल रही हूँ उसमें भी. So I think वो सीख के फिर उसको फिर से उसको तोड़ना सबसे ज़्यादा मुश्किल था मेरे लिए. But of course सिड सर एंड आई हमने काफ़ी सारी रीडिंग्स किए. स्नेहा मैम के साथ हम बैठे थे, एंड शी वॉज एक्चुअली माई मेन she was my anchor actually with this role, because I am not a Gujarati. She was a Gujarati, she's written it, and I was dependent on her completely to understand this. And of course, as Sid sir said, मैंने बहुत सारी गुजराती फिल्म्स देखी. मेरी बचपन की 2 दोस्त हैं गुजराती. I used to actually speak to their mums all the time on a voice call. तो मैं उनको बोलती थी कि आप अगर बात नहीं कर सकते तो एक voice note छोड़ दो. तो I used to get a voice note every morning in Gujarati. So I've really tried to get into the world, and to be very honest, मुझे वो actually I completely understand the language now. I can speak it little, लेकिन मुझे वो भाषा अभी पूरी समझ में आती है. And I think that मुझे एक नई भाषा भी सीखने का मौका मिला, which is incredible for me as an actor, as a person. So yeah, ये मेरा prep था. I don't think anybody feels that their fate is scripted in a certain way. We all hope for the best and we all dream big, and I have always had the courage to dream big, and I'm so grateful and glad that I'm being blessed like this. by the universe, and it's an overwhelming feeling actually for me. But of course, I think the best part about this film, and I think that everybody says it, is the cast and the crew of the film, because I remember that जब भी हम lunch break होता था, everyone used to sit together in a, there was a massive tent and everybody used to sit together. किसी के घर से रोज़ खाना आता था, कोई ना कोई अपने घर से कोई एक स्पेशल डिश या स्पेशलिटी कुछ बना के लेके आते थे, and then the whole team used to sit together and eat. And I think that as Indians we are, you know, आप जब साथ में खाना खाते हो तो I think वो दिल तक पहुंचता है, you know, and I think that that's how we started this that's how we started this journey. And it's been incredible to be able to perform with, honestly I think प्रेप बहुत ही मज़ेदार है. अल्फ़ा एक ऐसी फिल्म है विच इज़ लेड बाय 2 फीमेल्स, एंड ये जो इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक ब्रेकिंग ग्लास सीलिंग्स, और आप पहली बार देख रहे हो कि अ फिल्म हैज़ बिन लेड बाय 2 फीमेल्स, स्पेशली इन अ यूनिवर्स, इन द स्पाई यूनिवर्स, जहाँ पे आपने हमेशा बहुत बड़े सुपरस्टार्स को देखा है. ऐसी एक फिल्म मुझे शोल्डर करने का मौका मिल रहा है, टू बी इन द सेम यूनिवर्स एज शाहरुख सर, Junior NTR sir, or Hrithik sir, Salman sir, I mean Deepika ma'am, there's so many people. I think that as an actor it is the biggest blessing that I have received, but I'll keep my head down and focus and work really really hard, because it's a big deal for me, and I hopefully stand up to the level that is expected of me.
मीडिया का रोल हमेशा बड़ा ही रहता है. आप लोग, you have the power. A journalist, you say ना, pen is mightier than the sword. वो saying क्यों होती है? वो इसलिए है क्योंकि the pen is mightier than the sword. A media has the power to change perception, to change the way people think, and the media can use the power for something and against something. So you have to be, all of us have to be responsible towards that. So to answer your question, media does have a lot of power in today's times and will always have that power.
पर उम्मीद है कि OTT पर यशराज प्रोडक्शन द्वारा प्रस्तुत ये फिल्म एक नए सिनेमा और कुछ नए चेहरों के साथ हमेशा यादगार रहेगी. मुंबई से ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट.